BBQ.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your hostess with the mostest jazz. What's happening? Today we are doing some fun stuff. Nothing super crazy, but if you listen to our podcast, me and my buddy Chris's podcast, Butts and Stuff podcast, you can find it wherever you get your podcast, by the way. You know, YouTube, we're on Spotify, Google, Apple, all that stuff. But anyway, if you listen to our podcast, you'll know that two things. One, I bought another grill. Number 9 is here. We have another number 9 grill, but you know, I just can't stop myself. Got a great deal on it, by the way, but I'll show you that here in a second. But if you also listen to, I think it's one of our very recent podcasts, Chris told me that he wanted me to do a smoked cream cheese video, and I wanted to do a smoked cream cheese video a while back, you know, when it really became popular to do smoked cream cheese. Oh, everybody's doing smoked cream cheese. But that's the reason why I didn't do a smoked cream cheese video, was because everybody was doing a smoked cream cheese video. You know, I know you're kind of supposed to follow the trends because that's what gets your videos seen, but I just didn't want to do something everybody else was doing, you know. I just kind of want to do my own thing. But anyway, so that's what we're going to do today. Smoked cream cheese. I got 2 blocks. I'm going to do one for you guys here, and I'm going to do one for TikTok. That way I can hopefully put out a good video for TikTok this week. I haven't put out any videos on TikTok in a while. So, just got the charcoal lit. Here, I'll take you over to show you the new grill. Check it out, the new grill. This is a first generation Performer grill. It's pretty cool. It's a little deeper than the other one that I normally use, which is nice. It's got all the cool, you know, the charcoal or the ash can at the bottom, which is really neat. It does have propane ignite, but I don't have any propane at the moment. Other than that, it's pretty cool. I threw some baskets in it, and you know, that way you put your charcoal on either side, and then we'll put our pan right in the middle for our cream cheese. So anyway, it's pretty cool. It's also, so I'd open it up right now, but it's also got a little bucket in there so you can throw your charcoal in there, or maybe a trash bag or something to hold your trash or whatever you want. But it's pretty cool. It's got a table. I did have to replace the wheels, so I got some new wheels for it. But other than that, it's pretty sweet, man. Let me tell you. Alright, so let's get after it. Let's get the cream cheese out. Let's get some seasoning on them. It seems pretty simple, pretty straightforward, so shouldn't take us too long. Hopefully that charcoal gets going here in a minute, and then we'll dump it and get this cream cheese cooking. So let's go. Before we get started, we got to decide what seasoning we're going to put on these cream cheese blocks. Ooh, the Grande Gringo would be really cool. Caramelized onion butter. No, ooh, you could do one in ranch. That'd be kind of good, like a ranch dip. Oh, let's try that. Let's do one in ranch. That might be good. Let's see, honey hog, some pork perfect. Do some magic dust maybe. Chicken lick a bam bam. That's probably a little warm, a little hot. Oh, here's one we haven't opened yet. How about we try this Bearded Butcher's Zesty? We'll try it too. Alright, that's what we'll do. A little hard time doing this, but that's okay. Probably gonna make a little bit of a mess. Alright, so for this video we're gonna do the Rodeo Ranch. I'm not sure how this is gonna work, by the way. Or it might be just stepping outside the box. You know, everybody's gonna be like, oh my god, why didn't you do this? Why didn't you do that? I don't know. Because I did. So it's like a ranch and cream cheese kind of dip. So that's the bottom. So we're taking our pan, and I'm going to flip it over in the pan. Alright. Now, you're supposed to score this. Just like that. You're supposed to score it. Oop. Kind of hard to do one-handed, by the way. It's gonna fall away. Now, put a little bit more seasoning on it. Like I said, this is really hard to do one-handed. Try to hold the camera and show you guys. But that's what we're going to do. Alright, that one's done. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do the next one for TikTok. So I'm going to flip the camera around and do that real quick. So, I'll be right back with you and we'll get these suckers put on the grill. Alright, here we go. We're going to go put these suckers on the grill. Now, you got to check this thing out. Okay? Look at this. That sucker is running right at, I don't think you can even see it. Oh man, you can't see it. It's running right at 225. That's awesome. Alright, let's get them on. Alright guys, let's check on this. Let's check on these bad mammoth jammas. Ooh, doesn't that look fantastic? Alright, we're going to let them go a little longer. Alright guys, I think it's about time to pull these off. It's been about 2 hours, almost 2 hours. At 225. Man, look at that. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Alright, let's get them pulled off there. Alright, so this is the ranch one, the ranch cream cheese that we did for this video. This one here actually used some Bearded Butcher seasoning. It's called Zesty. I don't know. Just trying to do something a little different than everybody else. Everybody else is just putting like barbecue seasoning. I want to try something just a tad different. But let's go ahead and try them both. How about that? Oh man, look at that. So good, I can't even get it on the cracker. Woo-wee. That's quite a bit. But I don't need that much. Look at that. Isn't that good if my camera will focus? It's pretty good. Alright, check it out. We're going to try it out. Looks pretty good. Like I said, I can't get my camera to quite focus on it. Oh, focus, focus, focus. Look at that. Kind of. Okay, anyway. Enough play. Oh god, now it's not focused on me. Hello. There we go. Alright, let's try this now. Holy cow. I'm definitely onto something with that one. That's going to be a new side for Christmas time. That was fantastic. Fantastic. Alright, so let's try the other one. Alright, this is the Zesty from Bearded Butchers. Let's try it. Man. That one's killer. That one's killer. That's just Zesty. Let's see, where'd I put it? Zesty. Here it is. There. Check this out. Zesty from Bearded Butchers. Try that one. That is fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Well, about to drop my camera. Alright, Chris. You win on this one. You win. Smoked cream cheese is the shiznit. So, anyway, if you can't tell, it's super humid out here. I'm going to go and I'm going to eat a little bit of this, and I'm just going to hang out today. It's pretty humid out here. We went from cool, wet, and windy to dry and humid in like a day. So, kids are outside playing, if you could probably hear them. But anyway, check out my all my stuff. Hit the link below. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, NewbieQ2020, TikTok, NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. I'm going to try to put a video of this on TikTok. And anyway, hit the like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Peace. Bye-bye.